Today we are doing the ASMR version of Hassle Garage.
Hi everyone. Whoa. I feel like every time we're recording, you're wearing the same shirt.
Really?
Always a white shirt.
Probably, yeah.
Always a white
that's
shirt.
a fair point. I really do.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Before
Hey guys, I can see you there.
Oh, hey guys. Whoa. Where'd you guys come? Before I actually start anything, I should let you guys know what I'm doing. I did get a new wing. So that means this wing has to come off. That's what we'll be doing today. We'll be taking this wing off and patching up the holes, put some filler in on the top and then sand it down. We are sanding down the OEM paint on the car, so that's pretty nerve-wracking. But hey, it can be repainted anyway, so it's fine. And doesn't matter because I'm wrapping the car, right? We are wrapping the car, right? Are we?
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who else is here, man?
I don't know, you're talking to the audience, man?
Yeah, but I get no instant reply. I need that instant gratification right now.
I see.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, wrapping the car in color. Beep.
What's beef?
No, because they don't know the color of the wrap yet.
Oh, fair point. Not sure if this would come out alright, but I don't know. We live and we learn, right? So, any way to learn is to actually do stuff yourself. So we're gonna run some fishing line underneath and unbolt it, and then this should come off.
Don't say it's an easy job, bro. Because every time you say it's an easy job, man.
Look, man, I'm manifesting that it's going to be an easy job.
Yeah.
But yeah, it hasn't turned out good. Suspension bits and stuff, all that's done under the car. So now it's time to work on the outside and on top of the car, which I'm so happy about. Like 2-3 months under the car, just working on it every single week.
Yeah.
It's been tough, man. It's been tough. It feels like I've aged like 50 years. My back, my neck.
You gotta work on the inside first, you know?
Yeah, it's the inside what counts. It's the inside that counts, right? In these holes, there's a stud and a nut. You're gonna need a deep socket for this. It's a 10mm. We just got some 30-pound mono leader. This is good for catching all types of fish. Good for catching some herring, some salmon, long strokes. Alright, so I think I found why people do snap these spoilers off. Yeah, there's two push clips, or one push clip on either side that actually hold these in, as well as the stud and the nut. Might have to snap this. Push clip is like here. Probably have to snap the spoiler. Not bad.
Yeah, that would be pretty sick, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
So we did snap it intentionally. I didn't realize there was another bolt, so that's my fault. Oh, that's bars. I didn't realize there was another bolt, so that's my fault. We all here, but no, this ain't a cult.
Wow.
Oh.
Stop.
Anyway, so spoiler is half off. So there is another bolt that you have to take off here, and there's one facing the back of the car that's on an angle. It's in the same hole. If we just turned our heads, we could probably avoid snapping the wing, but I mean, it's okay. I've got no purpose for this wing anymore. Ooh. That's a nice DC2 Integra. Not bad. Take that bolt off, and then if you have access like we have, just pop these plastic pop clips, lift it off up, and then it should pop off. I'm sorry this isn't like a professional explanation, but we're learning as we go. There's things that I would do differently, there's things that I wouldn't.
It's alright, entertainment. Oh,
Spoiler off!
let's go.
The wing is off, and we have to patch all these holes and everything So update. We've got most of the adhesive off. I'm going to use a body filler to get these holes and then just sand it down just so it's flat and it's all good for wrapping and stuff. Use some primer and then after the primer wet sand it, and then that should be good for the wrap. Eventually I will patch these up with like a metal plate and stuff and get a metal plate welded in and everything, but for now we have to get this done. It hasn't been too bad if you're not afraid of breaking your wing. So I'm just using this body filler here that I just got from the auto store. So I'm just gonna go ahead with a sanding block just so it's nice and even. It should turn out alright actually. Already done this one and not bad, not bad. Let's spend the next hour or so sanding. Let's do some B-rolls.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright, enjoy. So after what, an hour and a half sanding, we've got everything pretty much smooth. Everything's pretty good. That's the wing off, holes all done, all in a day's work. It's not perfect, but it's honest work. It's honest work. Yeah, you can do all this in your garage, and we're showing you guys that you can do all this in your garage. So yeah, I don't have any special tools. I've got literally cheap tools and just making the best of what I have. Learning as I go, so the next build I can learn from this and then create a better car, have a better result. But yeah, next thing will be trying to fit the wing on. Alright, cool. Well, as always, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.